It is the second to last day of 2020, and I think it's finally here. A week ago, Stacy Collins posted a photograph of the first copy of the second edition of Keywords for Children's Literature that I had seen. And today, I heard from one of our contributors, Kelly Hager, the author of the Body essay, that she had received hers less than half an hour later. This box arrived, and I have to say, it looks very promising. Now, if you don't know about the Keywords books, you should. NYU Press started them a little over 10 years ago with this book, Keywords for American Cultural Studies. And upon hearing a presentation of this book, I thought, we need one of these for children's literature. And so I got in touch with Lissa Paul, and we did one for children's literature. This would be the second in New York University Press's Keyword series. There's already a second edition of Keywords for American Cultural Studies, and actually now a third edition. Keywords for Environmental Studies. Keywords for Latino Studies. Keywords for African American Studies. Keywords for Media Studies. Keywords for Disability Studies. Keywords for Asian American Studies. And I may be missing one or two, I'm not sure. And then the second book to go into a second edition, Keywords for Children's Literature now featuring a third editor, Nina Christensen of Aarhus University in Denmark. And it's right in this box. Let's take a look. Carefully packed and upside down for suspense. Here it is. Keywords for Children's Literature. The second edition. Published 10 years after the first edition and vastly improved, if I do say so myself. And I do say so myself. And you may be wondering, just how is the second edition improved? Well, I am very pleased to tell you. In fact, the jacket flap is pleased to tell you that the second edition goes beyond disciplinary and national boundaries. We have 59 print essays and 19 online essays. Any essays from the first edition that are not in the Codex second edition are available for free online at New York University Press's website, or they will be as soon as they update the website, which should be soon. All essays that are back in the Codex edition here have been revised, have been updated, and have been specifically internationalized. We really wanted to push this book beyond traditions in Anglo-American children's literature. This second edition includes scholars from over a dozen different countries, and irrespective of their country of origin, they were all required to speak beyond that country. And here is the table of contents. But wait, there's more. You see, it goes on to a second page. I can't tell you how excited I am that this book is now out, is now available. I am so grateful to my co-editors. I am so grateful to the over 60 people who contributed to this book, who wrote, who rewrote, who dealt with our rather specific suggestions to make this book what it is. This is very much a team effort, an international team, a team of very busy people who lent their skills, their expertise, and their labor to this. Keywords for Children's Literature, second edition, available now from New York University Press.